In today's video, I'll show you how to share channels externally in Microsoft Teams by creating a join link that people outside your organization can use to access your community and its channels, quickly, securely, and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link that allows external users to join your community without confusion. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Both work the same. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns or manages the community you want to share. If your organization has multiple environments, double-check that you're in the correct one so you don't accidentally share the wrong space. Next, go to the Communities section in Teams. This is where broader collaboration spaces are managed. Find and open the community you want to share with external users. Remember, when someone joins a community, they usually gain access to the channels inside it. So be sure you're selecting the correct one for your audience. Inside the community, look for the option labeled Share Join Link. This may appear near the top of the page or inside a menu. Click it to generate a unique invitation link for that community. This link is what you'll send to external users. When they open it, they'll be guided through the process of joining. Depending on your organization's settings, they may be asked to sign in or create a Microsoft account first. Click Copy to place the link on your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, calendar invite, document, chat message, or any platform you use to communicate with your audience. Think of this link like a key. Only share it with people you trust or in spaces where access is intended. If your organization uses stricter security policies, some external users may need approval, or the sharing option may be limited by admin settings. As a best practice, always include context when sharing the link. Let people know what the community is for, which channels they'll have access to, and who to contact if they experience access issues. If you don't see the option to share a join link, it may be disabled by policy, or you may not have the required permissions. In that case, contact your admin team for access. And that's it. Open Microsoft Teams, go to Communities, generate the Share Join link, and share it with your external audience. This method keeps onboarding simple while still maintaining control over who can access your community and channels. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.